Here's a knitting tutorial for a 3-needle bind-off using a crochet hook. This is a method for seaming 2 knitted pieces. For example, if you're seaming the shoulder pieces in a garment. You start with live stitches on both needles, with the same number of stitches on each needle. Traditionally, this 3-needle bind-off uses a 3rd needle, but in this method, we will use a crochet hook. Many of you may find this an easier way to execute this type of bind-off. Use a hook size that is an appropriate size for your yarn. You begin by putting the right sides of the fabric together so they're facing each other. This way, your seam ends up on the inside or the wrong side of the fabric. Line up your needles and push your stitches closer to the tips. Insert your crochet hook knitwise through the first stitch on the front needle. Then insert through the first stitch on the back needle. Pull the yarn through both, as in knitting 2 stitches together, and slide this off the needles. Repeat this, inserting through the next stitches knitwise, pulling the yarn through both, sliding off, and now you'll have 2 stitches on your crochet hook. Now simply pull the second stitch through the first stitch and you will have bound off 1 stitch. Continue in this way across your row until the end and fasten off with that last loop on your hook. And this is the 3-needle bind-off using a crochet hook. Happy knitting from KnitChats!